You can play like you don't know, but I'm the motherfucking truth. Spitting real game, and I'm clutching in the booth. We was both on one, now we fucking in the booth. She looked me in my eyes, she say, nigga, you the truth. Bad and rude, body, we don't.
Okay, also in preparation, I'm kind of multitasking right now. Got my door springs. Got my door springs for my hinges. I'm gonna go ahead and throw in. And you gotta have this tool to even put the motherfuckers in there. So you just pretty much take this thing like this. Let me see. Open one of these springs up. Open one of these springs up, and then I usually open this thing up as much as I can. Stand back so y'all can see. Just before it pops off, so that way I can get my full spread. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. See what my full spread is real quick. Okay, so then I'll take it on there about a few turns. Okay, so then you just go in between there. Go in between there like that, and then you tighten this screw up. See if I can get this. Tighten that screw up. Get a wrench real quick. Should be about a 13. Be about a good 13. Then you just crank that bad boy down like that. Crank that bad boy all the way down. And then let me see if I can find a bucket to prep this thing up on so that y'all can see. Open that door like that. Actually, get it up in here. Actually, I need to get out the light. Okay, so then you take this. And it's dusty in there and everything. Let's see if I can get y'all to pretty much see what I'm seeing. There we go. So then you just open up the door all the way. I really need to smash it some more. I need to smash the spring some more. So you really want to get it to where it's at the maximum as far as it's being spreaded out, so that you can make the spring as small as you can. So you really want to kind of squeeze it at the very end, both ends. Get in where you fit in. I'm just trying to get this thing to fit in where. Make sure that thing is all the way back as far as you can get it, because you don't want that thing popping off on you. No, that shit won't be pretty. You want to get the spring as little as you can get it. As you can see, that thing small as hell. So shit, just imagine if that thing pop out of there. But then you just take it, slide it into the door like this. You might need to put a little force on it, but you really shouldn't have to put too much on it. But you gotta get over this hump. So you kind of might want to get like some grease or something. Sometimes you need it, sometimes you don't. Okay, so there you go. So it's popped down in there now, as y'all can see. Let's see if I can blow that up some more. No, I can't blow it up no more, but y'all get the picture. Y'all can see it down in there. And then you just take this, and then you just reverse that thing out. You just reverse it out until it comes out. But you gotta make sure it's over the teeth on the hinge, and then make sure it's on that nipple on the back end. And then you just untighten it till it loosens up, kind of get out the way. Of course, I knew I was gonna hit my fucking hand, but as you can see, it always comes with some kind of fucking pain or some kind of shit like that. But as you can see, it's up in there. It's up in there. And then as you can see, the door is holding itself open. The door is holding itself open now. There you go. And then let's see if we're working like we're supposed to. There we go on that. The first little stop, and then so pretty much got that together. So we can go ahead and do the other end. That's the first stop. Second stop. And then that's how you put the door springs in. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side while I got the other one out. Yeah, but I'm gonna speed this one up, but y'all pretty much get the concept. Okay, so I pretty much got that spring in there. As you can see, it's just a little dusty in there. Never mind the dust. But got that in there. And now we can move on to the next little project, but that's how you get the springs in there. You got to have this tool, because other than that, if you ain't got this tool, you ain't getting them springs up in there, because them springs they compressed with pressure. Once you spring them down, And you absolutely need this. This is what this is made for the springs and the doors. So just in case anybody want to know, this is how you get them out. Yes, sir.